Hi, this is Irene from 3H Coaching. I am making one of my signature dishes, black rice, or you could do white rice, with vegetables.
What? Okay.
You could do it. So, mix is done. You can adjust the amount of rice depending on what your preference is versus vegetables. You can also top it. This is a jicama, which adds a delightful texture as well as a little sweetness to it. And I'm also adding pine nuts, which is also a delicious nut. There you go. So this makes a great side dish to any of your beef, chicken, fish, any of the main dish. This makes a great side dish. All right, enjoy. Thanks.